You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting French expression meaning curfew in French, literally meaning to cover the fire. So that's when, at night you would cover the candles and cover the fire, so there would be no lights, right? So couvre-feu is how it's said. Couvre-feu. Couvre-feu. Couvre-feu is how you say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.